Hi guys, my name is Zoe and this is Sloth Motion. Welcome to my cooking show. Here we are going to have lots of fun because in my house we love to cook and we love to eat. Today we have a special teacher and that is my Grandpa Gary. And he's teaching me how to make venison jerky. So let's get to it. Slice the meat as thin as desired. The thinner it is, the faster it is going to dry. To make it easier on yourself, slice the meat halfway frozen. In a small bowl, combine all the ingredients and mix well.
One.
This is all soft. It looks very much like sugar.
Here's a quarter. So we need 2 1/4. That's a quarter.
Tiny little spoon.
Okay. Now what's the next?
Two. And one more.
3. Okay.
Can I do the next one?
It's really hard to squeeze. You can try. You can never have too much garlic, right?
Add the mixture to the meat. Mix it well to make sure all the meat is completely coated. Cover it and refrigerate 6 to 12 hours and stir occasionally. Get your dehydrator and place the meat as flat as possible, covering as much surface as you can, and follow the directions of your machine. Flip the meat every hour to make sure it does not stick to the trays and cooks evenly. Also make sure to rotate the trays as well. This is how the jerky looks once it is completely dry. Okay friends, no more cooking for today. Calm down, calm down. I'm just getting ready to try it. Qué rico. Now, this is really the end. It's okay. We'll be back with more cooking videos. Because in my family, we love to cook and we love eating. Aquaman! Now there are 4 more things you must do before you leave. Give me a huge thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to have fun and get inspired with us. Leave any comments or questions down below. And don't forget to click on that bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Ding! And follow us on IFT, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Adios. See you next time. Bye.
Funny in action. No, that was wrong. Leave any questions so you don't miss videos. No. Make it funny. And down below.
Let's start over.
If you like